Hello children, welcome to class 10th mathematics. The new chapter is coordinate geometry. So in this class I am going to explain example 2. Let us see. Show that the point, there are 4 points here. One is 1 comma 7, 4 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 1 and minus 4 comma 4 are the 4 points are the vertices of a square. So we have to check out these 4 points are the vertices of a square. So we know that square means there are 4 sides and 4 vertices and 4 angles is there. So here we have to check out these are 4 coordinate points are the vertices of the square. Let us see. First one A 1 comma 7 and the second one B 4 comma 2. Then third one C minus 1 comma minus 1 and last one is D minus 4 comma 4. Let us see. You know that square, this is a square, all sides are, so if the all sides, the distance between the sides is A, B, C, D, so the distance is all the sides are equal, then the vertices are points of these points are the vertices of the square. Let us see. First one AB is equal to, you know that distance formula is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square. What is the point of A is 1 comma 7 and here it is 4 comma 2. So AB, this one is x1 y1 x2 y2 like that. So here it is x2 y2, this one is x1 y1, that is 4 minus 1 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2. What is y2 here? It is 2 and y1 is 7. So 2 minus 7 whole square. Carefully observe. 4 minus 1 whole square, 2 minus 7 whole square. Like AB is equal to square root of 4 minus 1 is 3 square and then 7 minus 2 is minus 5 whole square. Then it is equal to square root of 3 square is 9 plus minus into minus plus 5 into 5 is 25. Therefore AB is equal to square root of 25 plus 9 is, what is that, 34, square root 34. So the distance between A and B is 34. Let us see second one BC is equal to, again distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square. Here it is B, so coordinates of point is minus 1 and minus 1. Here it is, here I am going to take x1 and this one is y1, this x2 is this y2. So x2 minus x1 is 4 minus of minus 1, 4 minus of minus 1 whole square plus that is 2 minus of minus 1 whole square, 2 minus of minus 1 whole square. Then BC is equal to square root of 4 minus into minus is plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus into minus is plus 1 whole square is equal to square root of 4 plus 1 is 5 square plus 2 plus 1 is 3 square. It is equal to BC is equal to square root of 5 square is 25 plus 3 square is 9. It is equal to square root of 34. Again BC is also square root 34. And then DC, CD. So what is that? What is of D is minus 4 comma and this one is 4. So x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Let us see. What is AB, BC and CD is equal to square root of AB, CD is equal to x2 minus x1. So minus 4 and minus of minus 1. Minus 4 minus of minus 1 whole square. Y2 minus y1. 4 minus of minus 1 whole square. 4 minus of minus 1 whole square. So then CD is equal to square root of minus 4 minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus 4 minus into minus is plus 1 whole square. It is equal to minus 4 and plus 1 is minus 3. whole square plus 4 plus 1 is 5 square. So CD is equal to minus 3 into minus 3, that is 9, and plus 5 square is 25. Therefore CD is equal to square root of 34. CD is also square root of 34. Let us see. And then after CD, DA, let us take DA is equal to square root of, here it is x2 minus x1. What is x2 is minus 4, x1 is 1. So minus 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 4 minus 7 whole square, 4 minus 7 whole square. Then dA is equal to square root of minus into minus, so both are minus, add minus, that is minus 5 whole square plus 7 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square. It is equal to square root of minus 5 is 25 and plus minus 3 square is 9. So dA is also square root of 34. So let us see, AB square root 34, BC square root 34, CD square root 34, and DA is square root, is also square root 34. So all the sides are equal measure. Therefore the points 1, 7, 4, 2 and minus 1, 1 and minus 4, 4 are the vertices of the square. Even we have to check the diagonals. What is the distance between diagonals? First one is AC and then second one is BD. So this diagonals measurement also equal. Let us see what is AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. What is here? It is 4 minus 1 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. That is y2 is minus 1 minus 7 whole square. Then AC is equal to square root of minus 1 both are minus, that is minus 2 whole square. So both are minus, add minus, that is minus 8 whole square. Then AC is equal to minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4 plus minus 8 into minus 8 is 64. It is equal to AC is equal to square root 68. Then AC after that BD. So BD is equal to, see, BD x2 minus x1. So what is here? It is x2 is 4 minus of minus 4. 4 minus of minus 4 whole square plus here it is 2. Here the second one is minus 4 whole square. BD is equal to square root of 4 minus into minus is plus and 4 whole square. 4 minus 2 is minus 2 whole square. BD is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8 square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2, that is 4. And then BD is equal to 8 square is 64 plus 4 is equal to square root 68. So let us see. Here all the sides of the what is the square, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and also diagonals. What are the diagonals? AC is equal to BD. So these all the four sides of quadrilateral, all the four sides of the quadrilateral ABCD are equal, and its diagonal what is AC and BD are also equal, Therefore ABCD is a square. Students, write the question example 3 in the figure 7.6. This is the figure 7.6. Shows the Arrangement of a desk. So this shows the arrangement of a desk in a classroom. Ashima, Bharti and Camilla are seated. What is the seated here? It is 3 and here it is 1. So what is the row and column? That is row and column. This is column and this is row. One to first row and third column. What is B? B means Bharti. What is the row? Is fourth row and sixth column. That is 4 comma 6. 4 comma 6. And it is C is Camilla. Column is say 8 and row is 6 comma 8. So what is that? It is 6 comma 4. First one, what is the first one? 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 6 comma 4, 8 comma 6, thus respectively. Do you think they are seated line? So we have to find out they are seated in the straight line. So do you think they are seated in line? Give reason for your answer. Let us see. See, by using the distance formula, let us see what is the points A, B, C. Point A is 3 comma 1 and point B is what is 6 comma 4 and point C is 8 comma 6. There are 3 students seated in a line. We have to check out the seated in a line. What is the first? We have to find out the distance A to B. AB is equal to square root of, this one is 6 minus 3 whole square, 6 minus 3 whole square and 4 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. Then AB is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3 square. Then AB is equal to square root 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is 9. So 9 plus 9 is AB is equal to, so AB is equal to square root 9 plus 9 is 18. So what the distance between A and B is 18. Let us see the distance between B and C, that is BC. It is equal to, again by using distance formula, is 8 minus 6 x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square. Then BC is equal to square root of 8 minus 6 is 2 square plus 6 minus 4 is 2 square. Once again 8 minus 6 2, 6 minus 4 is 2 square. So BC is equal to, what is 2 square is square root 4 plus 2 square is square root 4. Then BC is equal to square root 4 plus 4 is square root 8. BC. Then AB, BC. So we have to find out CA. Let us see. CA. What is the coordinate points of CA is, that is 8 minus 3 whole square, 8 minus 3 whole square and then 6 minus 1 whole square. Then CA is equal to square root of 8 minus 3 is 5 square, 6 minus 1 is, what is 5 square. So CA is equal to square root 25 plus 25. Again CA is equal to square root 50. So the lines A, B, C, there are 3 points. If they equal, that is straight line. What is A? This one is B, this one C. So sum of AB and BC must be equal to AC. So sum of AB and BC, the line AB and BC is equal to AC. Let us see. What is AB plus BC is equal to AC? AB is root 18 plus BC is root 8. It is equal to AC is, or CA is root 50. The simplest form of root 18 is, what is 9 into 2 plus this 8 is 4 into 2, 4 into 2. This one is 25 into 2. Let us see. 9 into 2, square root of 9 is 3 root 2 and 2 is not a perfect square, plus square root of 4 is 2 and 2 is not a perfect square into 2, then square root of 25 is 5 and root 2, 2 is not a perfect square. So then see 3 plus 2 is 5 and taking outside root 2 is common, it is equal to 5 root 2. Let us see, left side is equal to right side, therefore we can say the point A B. Let us see, here it is, we can say the point A, B and C are collinear, therefore they are seated in a line. Students, let us see the next example 4 is find the relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. There are 2 points. Let us take this one is B and this is C. So these, what is the point? The point xy, let us the point xy is called, if you take the point xy is A, that is the A of xy, and this one is B of 7 comma 1 and this one is C of 3 comma 5. So A, B, C. So the point A of xy is equidistant from the point A of xy, equidistant from the B and C. So let us see, this is point B, this is point D. So this the point what is A of xy is equal distance from the B and C. So let us see what is the distance here it is and what is the distance here. So the point is 7 comma 1, here the point is 3 comma 5. So by using the distance formula, so what they given, they are both are equidistant, that is equal distance, both are equal distance. Let us see, AB and AC both are equal, AB is equal to AC. X2 minus x1, let us see, by using the distance formula, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x minus 7, first one AB, x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, y minus 1 whole square is equal to, the using formula distance, that is square, it is equal to again square root of what it is, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So left square root and right square root get cancelled, left square root and right square root get cancelled, and the remaining is x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So all the four, this one is in the form of a minus b whole square. Already you know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square, here it is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square, so minus 2a into b means 3. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 3ಅನ್ನು ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೈ, ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2ab. Carefully observe the what is the expand form of a minus b whole square. Let us see, x square is x square. So let us see, x square, left x square and right x square get cancelled, and plus y square and here plus y square get cancelled. So then remaining is 7 square is 49 minus 2 into 7 is 14x minus 2 into 1 is 2y is equal to minus 2 into 3 is 6x, and then plus 6. So here it is 3 square is 9. 9 minus 3 into 2 is 6x plus 5 square is 25 minus 2 5 to the 10y. Let us see numbers and let us transpose the numbers one side. 49 and here it is 25 9 and what is here it is 2 into 1 plus 1 square. See, plus this plus 1 square and then minus 2y. So there are two numbers, so we have to transpose the numbers. Minus 14x minus 2y is equal to, so sorry, minus, so this minus 4x become left is minus plus 6x and minus 10y become left is plus 10y, and the numbers here the right side in the already numbers 25 plus 9, 25 plus 9 is 34 and here it is 49. This one is 1 square means 1, so 49 plus 1 is 50 minus 50. So goes to transpose to right side. Let us see, minus 14x plus 6x, 8, that is minus 8x. Here it is 10y minus 2y plus 8y, it is equal to 36 680 16. Okay, 16. Taking common factor, what is 8? It is taking minus, so divide minus 8 on both side. So we have divide, that is minus 8x divided by minus 8 plus 8y divided by 8 minus 8 to minus 16 divided by minus 8. So minus 8 get cancel, in the remaining is x. Minus 8 and plus 8 get cancel, here the sign will be minus y. So minus 8 once the minus 8 2s, that is equal to 2. So the equation is x minus y is equal to 2. This is the solution. Let us carefully observe. Divide minus 8 on both sides. So minus 8 get cancel, minus 8 and plus 8 get cancel, the sign will be minus, and minus 8 get cancel, the sign cancel, then 8 on the 8, 8 to the 16, then x minus y is equal to 2. This is the solution. So this is the required relation. So this is the diagram of the given solution problem. So B and A are the 2 points. So this is x minus y is equal to 2. So relation between A and B from x and y, what is the relation of x and y to A and B is perpendicular line. The relation is perpendicular line, perpendicular bisector of the A and B. Let us see the next question. That is the 5th question. Find the point on y-axis, which is equidistant from the point A 6, 5 and B minus 4, 3. So there are 2 points A and B. So these points are equidistant from the point on y-axis. So what is the point on y-axis? Let us see here, this is x coordinates and this is xy coordinates, though here the point on y-axis. So let us see, this is the point. If you take, this is the point on y-axis, and this points A and B equidistant from the point C. So point C, what is the coordinates of C is, let us see, already given in the textbook. What is that? It is point on the y-axis are of the form 0, y, very important. Point on the y-axis are of the form 0, 5, and also x-axis are of the form x, 0, very important. X-axis x, 0, y-axis 0, y. Let us see 0, y. So on the points, let us see what is the A is 6, 5, and B is minus 4, 3. From the given question, A and B are equidistant from the point See, let us see by using distance formula. What is x2 minus x1, 6 minus 0? What is AC? And also given AC is equal to BC because they are both are equal distance. So AC is 6 minus 0, square root of 6 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus y whole square, then it is equal. Then BC minus 4 minus 0, minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus y whole square. So square root and square root get cancelled. Let us see, next one is, so both are the a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is, what is 6 minus 0? It is 6, that is 6 square, and this one is 5 minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. It is equal to minus 4 minus 0, it is minus 4 whole square plus a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Let us see, 6 square is 36 plus 5 square is 25 plus y square is y square minus 2 into 5 is minus 10y. It is equal to minus 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9 plus y squared minus 2 into 3 is 6y plus y square and plus y square get cancelled. Then 5 plus 6 is 11, carry 1 here, it is 3 plus 3 is 61 minus 10y is equal to what is 16 plus 9 is 25 minus 6y. So minus 10y goes to right side. Here the only 61 in right side, left side, plus 25 become right side is minus 25. So already minus 6y is right side, minus 10y become right side is plus 10y. Then 10y minus 6y is 4y. So what is 61 minus 25? That is 36. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. Therefore 9 is equal to y. What is the point of y is 9. So that is 0 comma 9. The point on y axis is 0 comma y, that is 0 comma 9. So you can verify by using the distance formula. So in the place of y is 6, in the place of x is 0. Like that you have to verify by using the distance formula. So both are equal distance, that is root 52 and root 52. So you have to solve yourself exercise 7.1 completely. You have to solve. I will send the PDF of the exercise 7.